Hello there. Welcome to Jubilant. We are supercharging Vtiger CRM. In this video, we will be showing you how to set up Vtiger's two-factor authentication to protect your CRM from unauthorized access.
First of all, log in as administrator to Vtiger CRM.
After installing 2FA extension, go to Settings, then click on 2FA Settings. You can enable or disable 2FA for each users from this button.
Subsequently, log in as a user by entering your username and password.
After validating username and password, you will be redirected to another page. You should enter the one-time passcode in limited time.
We will be dispatched the one-time passcode to the user's email inbox.
Upon successful validation of the passcode, the login process will be finalized. You can also customize email template as per your business needs. From here, you can customize your email subject for your preference. You can manage the time validity of your passcode. From here, you can modify your email content. Once you have customized it, make sure to save your changes. If you have any queries, don't hesitate to contact us at hello@jubilant.com. Thanks for watching.